was down, but I'm always gonna get back up. I'm a range, but I know I'm gonna get that truck. Done losing, I'm about to get that win.
Hey YouTube, it's me Kristianna. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to When in Doubt Pink. Okay, I'm using my weird little camera again, but your girl is in Vegas. I just got to the room. I'm exhausted. It's not late, but it's late in my body. I think it's like maybe 7 o'clock here or something, which means that it's, was it math? Is it almost 11 at home? I don't know. Either way, I'm tired, but this room is pretty nice, so let's look at it. Let's touch stuff. I love that I can flip this camera around without having to turn it off. Cute. Let's look at the bathroom first. Ah, look at this mirror. Very pretty. This is the Parisian Casino Hotel. Got the little Eiffel Tower there, very on par. Very on theme. Oh, there's like a little seat here. You can sit down and wipe your butt. This is nice. This is real nice. The shower is crazy. This goes hard. This is very, very nice. What's this, a closet or? Oh no, I think that's a connecting door. I think this is a connecting door. I don't like connecting doors. So I got 2 beds because this is just what they had. And a big old TV. It's off and it doesn't have my name on it. My name isn't anywhere in this room, despite how expensive this place is. And these curtains are not cute. It's giving casino. It really is. Let's see what the view is hitting on. Ain't hitting on a damn thing. So fun. I really want something warm. There we go. I really want something warm to drink. It's kind of too late for me to be drinking coffee. I'm like, maybe if I can get my hands on a decaf or something. But I got one more call tonight before I lay down. I committed to calling someone and doing just a little bit of work when I got on the ground, and now I'm on the ground, so I gotta be a woman of my word and do that. But I feel insane. Like, I don't like flying at all. I hate it, actually. And this time, the whole time I was like flying, the guy next to me in the middle seat was like leaning his body on me a little bit in a way that really was just like grating my nerves the whole time, bro. Like, and it just bothered me because I knew he was doing that because I was a woman. And the person next to him was a man, or at least a male presenting person. You know what I mean? Like, you're not gonna lean your weight on another man as a man. You're not gonna do that. But you'll try it with a woman, spread out, legs all spread out. Like, what are you doing, bro? Like, I watched Maze Runner while I was in the clouds, and I realized I had never actually watched it all the way through, and it was really good. I think there's like a second one, like a sequel. I don't know if I'll be getting into that, but Maze Runner was pretty good. Had me on edge the whole time, which was kind of good because it took me off of the edge of being scared of flying, if that makes sense. Like, be on the edge for a totally different reason. Your girl needs to do something with this hair. I think tomorrow I'm probably gonna rock a little bun or something. I'd like maybe something nicer than this. These are my birthday curls, to be clear. My birthday was 2 days ago. My birthday dress finally came on my way out the door this afternoon. Don't get me back started. Don't piss me off. Let me get back on task. I think I'm gonna go downstairs to the casino floor and find me something warm to drink. Maybe a hot chocolate. That would be so love. And then I'm gonna do this call. Yeah. My coworker needs a few more minutes, But look at this tasty snack I found downstairs. Peach cheesecake. I'm gonna try it. So they had a cute little selection down there, but we're gonna see what this peach cheesecake is giving. I'm gonna be the judge of this. Ooh, there's like a little green thing in there. Is it mint? Is it real? Child, I don't think this is real. I could have choked on that. Lawsuit. Let's taste it though. Taste. Dang, I didn't even get all the way to the bottom. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is delicious. And the crunchy on the bottom is the best part. Always the best part of the cheesecake. Oh yeah. I'm gonna give this an 8 out of 10. This is delicious. Yum. Beautiful. I'm really dragging ass this morning. I gotta run and get some coffee and get myself together. Okay, so I'm running late per usual. Hopefully this room isn't too echoey because I can hear it myself. I really think it's this damn shower. And I've had time to think about this shower actually. I think it's as big as it is to like accommodate people. Like more than one person taking a shower. I've had time to really think about that. But I need to do like a little bit of a quick beat. I think I'm gonna go with a, oh, is she naturally beautiful kind of beat right now, because it's really easy to do and really quick. This is the dossier one I was telling y'all about, the YSL dupe, black opium dupe. As much as I love perfume, I can never remember to put it on with my funky ass. So did that, check. We're gonna do just like a little quick 1, 2. I call myself really packing light on this trip, but I have unfortunately packed a little bit too light. And so I'm just missing a lot of my essentials. Like I don't even know what I'm getting ready to do my eyebrows with. I'm like barely awake right now, but I've already spent 60 bucks. Like this is Vegas. And like that breakfast sandwich had to have been like $20 for me to have spent $60 on breakfast this morning. But I was so damn tired, I just hit the tap. Hit the tap, give it to me. Give it to me now. I didn't pack a pencil. And I'm hoping, I'm gonna use this Morphe palette that I wanted to do like a more, oh, you know what? Let's not, okay, because I want to do a dedicated video about this, but I brought it just in case I had time to do that while I was on the road. I think I'll find what I'm looking for inside this ColourPop Gone Matte palette. Yeah. I see exactly what I can use to do my eyebrows in here. Let's put a primer on first. So, okay, so I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada, right? Okay, the city of sin. And as much as I've been here now, like I think this is like my 3rd or 4th time here, I have never gotten in no trouble. It's probably for the best, you know? I haven't gotten in a lick of trouble in this city. So there's this conference called CES. I do not know what that acronym stands for. Still trying to figure it out, okay? Because on all the materials for it, they just keep using the acronym. But it's a tech, it's like technically a tech conference, right? One of my coworkers kind of like was giving me a flavor of what to expect on this trip, or like at this conference, right? Because it's not like it's people from my work are going to the conference. It is not hosted by my work, if that makes sense. But allegedly, this is the conference where all the like kind of geeky, nerdy folks of the world gather to be able to check out the latest technology and AI things that are going to be coming out in the future. We're here really to get a sense too of like what is coming our way in terms of like what are the kinds of technology things that will be coming for working people's jobs in the future, and being able to think about how to combat that, because you know, folks gotta work. And if the robots are taking over, taking our jobs, where does that leave us if we're in a world where the powers that be are definitely against universal basic income? Also, it's gonna be like kind of fun though. I was asked to come to the conference as the main person on my team. If you're new here, hi. I am a communications girly for a really large labor union. I was asked to be the one to come from my team, my department, because I'm usually the one on our team that like keeps my ears to the streets, okay? And internet things, and you know, I've already been really open talking about the ways that I embrace AI. I don't depend on AI, but I use AI as a thought partner in a lot of ways. I just think that you should really embrace what's coming so that you can be ahead of the curve and be ahead and more knowledgeable than the people who reject it right away, because it's coming regardless. Like, the robots are coming, the robots are here in a lot of ways. And the people who are like, oh, that's dumb, that's stupid, that's, you know what I mean? Like, I don't like that, blah, 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 blah. Those are the people who will ultimately lose in the end, because AI is coming like a wrecking ball. Yeah, those are my thoughts on AI. I'm gonna lean into the mirror really quick and try to sculpt my eyebrows. The love we had stays on my mind. Yes, Cisco and his friends are still eating my brain. This is the worst earworm I've had in a long time. I've been listening to Drew Hill and Cisco for at least like 2 months now or something. 2 months is being dramatic. It's been like a month. Literally, I tried to listen to SZA's new album, and so far it sounds good. I'm not finished, but then I started thinking about Drew Hill while I was listening to SZA, and then I just switched the playlist back. It's bad, y'all. I'm gonna try to salvage this one because it's giving cousins at this level. Y'all not even sisters. Y'all like distant. I don't even know if y'all cousins. Maybe y'all just know each other. I'm gonna put my foundation on and come back to this tragedy. Still using the Ruby Kisses filter, glow filter, whatever, because it is a good product. Today I'm using the Fit Me, which I'm glad I brought this foundation because I did forget to bring my powder. This is a good foundation to use without powder, like setting powder. What's funny is that my cousin actually already had a trip here. LaRon, the one that you guys always see me with. So LaRon is actually here in Vegas too, seeing her dad, who moved out here a couple years ago. And it's crazy because it's like we're both here and I don't think I'm gonna get to see her, especially because I'm turning around tomorrow afternoon and I'm going to Phoenix. But I am hoping to be able to see my friend Byron once I get to Phoenix after all the meetings, because I'm in back-to-back meetings the whole time I'm in Phoenix. Hopefully I can sneak out and see my friend. Byron couldn't make it to my birthday this year, but did come over the day before, which was very funny. So he was in town, but the plans he came in town for were on my birthday. I don't think I even mentioned it, but like, he was here. I was too busy freaking out actually about my dress not coming. I know I didn't mention the fact that Byron was here. But I'm really hoping that I can go and see him, just because I've never intentionally been able to go and see him, because that's an expensive trip. But hopefully I'll be able to sneak out. This is kind of like a walk around at your own leisure kind of situation though. Just that I kind of don't want my coworkers to be like, hey, where's Kristianna? I was so tired. I just slept and slept. And I thought that being on Pacific time or whatever time this is, I thought I would wake up early and I didn't. Let me put the lock on the door. I can hear the housekeeper in the hallway. It's never happened to me before, but I always like get scared of them. Like I get anxiety around the idea of them walking in on me. Never happened before, but I just be thinking it. Girl, what am I gonna do with my hair? Oh God, help me. You know the Tyrese me. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
That's how I feel, okay? It's a little messy, it's a little whatever. My little bayang makes you feel like maybe my hair is actually done and I just threw it up. And I'm gonna put some earrings on. And that's just gonna be that on that. Who gonna check me? All right, y'all. Hopefully we'll have some good clips from the conference, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my strawberry sweater on and keep it moving.
This greatness you witnessing.
Thank you.
A little bit about us.
What's happening here? Yeah.
We are an accessory company. We've been around for 40 years. Actually, almost 45 now. And we do everything from PC gaming. So you see all our laptop cooling stands here. Each kind of gaming that you like, there is like.
I play The Sims. That's about it. That's about it. But I do play my PC.
Sports setup.
Oh my God,
So you got
so
the
pretty.
chocolate keys with the low profile. You have the mouse that's got the holes in it so your palm doesn't get sweaty. You have a white setup?
I don't. Oh, well, technically, yeah, my desk is white.
Yeah.
Actually, all the desks in my house are white.
There you go.
Yeah.
It's fully programmable with software. So you can use it like a basic mouse, but you can also use the software to like, change any of the functionality that you want. And also all the lighting styles and whatnot.
Sick.
Loving the